Because the main component of the cone crusher is steel. It is easy to rust. The rusted machine will affect the normal operation, therefore. Here is reasonable maintenance. 1. If the flywheel has been removed from the eccentric shaft. The touch surface between the flywheel and the shaft should be coated with preservative. 2. During the storage period of the cone crusher and during the seasonal shutdown period of the cone crusher, let the crusher run at least once a month to ensure that the bearings are kept smooth. If the cone crusher cannot be operated during the storage process, the flywheel of the crusher must be manually rotated 3 to 4 times to ensure that the bearings are smoothed correctly, if required. Add lubricating grease to the bearing. 3. If the movable jaw body has been removed from the frame, in order to prevent debris from entering the bearing seat, the seal should be coated with satisfactory grease. The bearing seat touch surface and the frame, toggle plate touch surface and toggle seat touch surface, and tie rod holes on the frame should also be coated with antiseptic. 4. When the cone crusher is taken out from the storage, the painting situation must be checked according to the requirements. Before assembling the crusher, the preservative should be removed from all touch surfaces. 5. The cone crusher and its removed parts should be stored on a stable support to avoid touching the ground.